Kia ora koutou, Reese from QuickSense here, and today we're looking at applications, speed, distance, and time. In this question, a train is traveling at travels 72 kilometers in 72 minutes. What is its average speed in kilometers per hour? Well, at the moment, we have the kilometers part, but we don't have the hour part. It's in minutes. So one thing I could do immediately is to convert 72 minutes into hours. How many hours are there or how many minutes are there in an hour? Well, there's 60 minutes. So it's 1 hour plus 12 minutes. And what's 12 minutes as a decimal? Well, 12 minutes as a decimal is 12 out of 60. And that's going to be equal to 0.2. You can check that on your calculator. So 72 minutes, that equals 1.2 hours. So if we're thinking about 72 kilometers per 1.2 hours, well, to move from 1.2 down to 1, I need to divide by 1.2. So 72 divided by 1.2 is equal to, let's get the calculator out for this, divided by 1.2 is equal to 60. So this ends up being 60 kilometers per hour. We converted minutes to hours, and then we moved from how many hours we had down to 1 hour by dividing by 1.2, and then divided the total kilometers spent by that same number. In this next question, we are given a more real-world example where we're not just moving at a constant speed, but we are taking breaks, we're stopping, and specifically with trains, right? They stop all the time. So this train takes 4 hours and 9 minutes. Now what I want to do is put this into either minutes or hours, and I'm going to do it in hours. So if I've got 60 minutes per hour, and I'm using 9 of those, well then 9 minutes is 0.15. So it's 4.15 hours in total. But we're saying that the train stops for exactly 12 minutes at each of the 13 intermediate stations. So this is wasted time. This is time where I'm not moving at all. Okay, so this is 0 kilometers per hour. And 12 minutes, well, 12 minutes is 12 divided by 60, 0.2 hours times, and there's 13 of them. So 2.6. So 4.15 minus 2.6, this is my total moving time. Which is equal to 1.55 hours. Now this is telling me that it's between stations moving at 30 kilometers an hour. Well, I'm going 1.55 hours of moving time. And this will give me my total distance covered. 1.55 times 30 is equal to 46.5 kilometers in total.